Hi, in this video we will discuss how can we show how can we enter any content from by the document type or the content. So I will visit over the home. I'm creating the content section over here, one page. I have clicked add properties. In the properties, I'm choosing the page title. You can see it is the alias name. You can add any description for the editors. Please add page title. For the page title, I'm using the text string. So you can choose the text string from here. Currently, we can make the field is mandatory. As well, we can choose any kind of the validation over here. We will choose it later on. Submit. Another is page subtitle. Now I'm using the this text box for this one and save. Now, after saving this one, once I am visiting the content page, in the home page, it will display both properties. But if I'm writing over here, write John, write John subtitle, and save and publish. It now I'm able to edit any content from here. Just I'm going to show you one more thing. Dot dot. Now I'm creating the save. So you can see after saving this one, there is a plus sign. It's mean the content of the content node has been saved but not published. For publishing that one, I need to click on save and publish. Only after the publishing the content, it will display on the front page or over the website. Otherwise it will always keep remain in the back office. So I'm visiting over here, closing this node, or you can refresh that one too, or you can refresh that one too. Click over here. What happened? It is not showing this content. But why? For that one, because we have added these properties in the document type but not in the template. For the template, we can show it by two way as I have already shown you. So this time I'm using the my Visual Studio. It is all you can see in the namespaces. It is comes from the publish models. It has been created the content models.home in the Umbraco view page. Content models.home is means he has the created a model over there. So what I will do, I will write model or at the rate model by at the rate, because it is a razor page, so we will use the at the rate any kind of coding and show the dot. It is not showing any property which we have added over here, which we have added over there. So for that one, there's two things. Either I will go in the settings, I'm just running the project and it will be display both of the property. Why it happened? Because at that time we have created a model at the runtime, and that runtime, it is not displaying that model properties over there. So it is by default it will show the root page. I'm visiting on the Umbraco in the back office. So I need to write Umbraco over here. We should to enter user ID password, but it is already saved in my browser, so it is redirected over here. So here you can see, once I will create any document type with some data type or some properties, it will create a class with the same name, and which will display over, and you can add it by the document type. So I previously it was not showing anything, so now I'm adding, trying again, model dot. So it is showing here. So I can write the model by this one, at the rate model dot. If it is not visible, so what, because it will not page title. As I said, that it is the alias name, not a model name or the property name or the class property name. So for that one, by default, the property name should be the capital letter, will be the first. The capital letter, the first letter should be capital letter of models. So now I'm refreshing this one. So you can see right zone has been displayed, and right zone has been displayed. If I will go with this one and write at the rate model dot the another value, paste subtitle, and refresh this one, it will display over here. Now in my future video, we will discuss how can we create the master template and how can we use the CSS, JavaScript in our document type or templates, as well as in page. Thank you.